These 4 herbs can protect your brain from Alzheimer's, depression, anxiety and much more. 1. Rosemary Rosmarinusofficinalis, or dew of the sea. Rosemary has been used for hundreds of years in many cultures for improving memory of people. It is an evergreen, perennial plant that has leaves like needles and small pastel-colored flowers. Professor Mark Moss, who teaches at the University of Northumbria, and his team conducted an experiment. The purpose of this experiment was to test the effect rosemary oil has on future memory. They asked 60 participants to spend some time in rooms filled with rosemary oil and 2 other types of oils. After some time, their memory was checked in several tests. 2. Peppermint, MenthaPiperita. There isn't a better way than refresh your breath by chewing some peppermint, or soothe stomach problems with some mint tea. Dr. Brian Rawdon-Bush's results of a study in Wheeling Jesuit University have shown that inhaling the peppermint aroma can boost functions in the human brain a lot. These skills include the ability to reason, solve problems, form concepts, make judgments, and memorize things. Also, this has led to reduced levels of anxiety, increased feeling of calmness and lower fatigue in participants of the study. 3. Ginkgo, Ginkgo biloba, also known as Maiden hair tree. This herb is full of antioxidants, called terpenoids, which shield every one of the organs from harm and advance the soundness of the cardiovascular system. A few studies have affirmed that patients with dementia experienced changes in their memory in the wake of taking day-by-day Ginkgo biloba supplements. Not just does Ginkgo upgrade dissemination and oxygen stream to the mind, however there are proposals that it even supports nerve cells influenced by dementia. Additionally, it was found that it could work comparatively to a few solutions that should avoid early manifestations of Alzheimer's. 4. Ginseng, PanaxQuinquefolius. This plant has the demonstrated calming, mindset upgrading and cerebrum boosting properties. The Asian kind of ginseng, otherwise called Panax ginseng, has the most noteworthy centralization of healing segments. Individuals influenced by Alzheimer's infection who took day-by-day supplements of ginseng in the term of 3 months have encountered upgrade in their intellectual capacities. This finding has been endorsed by scientific research. Nowadays we live under a huge pressure and crazy schedules at work. We need to do and achieve so many obligations throughout the day that it is no wonder we are under chronic stress. Even though modern technology is supposed to help, and it does, now the brain needs to adjust to all that new information and process it. It is no wonder we hear more and more often that people are getting some diseases, and most common diseases are anxiety, depression, sleep disturbances, etc. Please subscribe. More home remedies videos.